Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn multiplication facts 6 to 12 together, step by step. The bigger facts work the same way as the small ones. 6 times 4 means 6 rows with 4 in each row. Count every dot and you reach 24. The numbers are larger, but the idea is exactly the same. 9s have a neat trick. For 9 times 3, the tens digit is 1 less than 3, which is 2. The ones digit makes the 2 add up to 9, so it is 7. That gives 27. Try it. The 2 digits always add to 9. You can flip any multiplication and the answer stays the same. 7 times 8 equals 8 times 7. The array just turns on its side, but the number of dots does not change. So you only have to learn half as many facts. Let's solve 6 times 7. Start with 5 times 7, which is 35. Now add one more group of 7. 35 plus 7 is 42, so 6 times 7 is 42. So here is how to win the bigger facts. Build new answers from facts you already know by adding one more group. Use the nines trick where the digits add to 9. And remember, you can flip any fact to save work. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.